Hey everyone, let's talk the simple past. We use the simple past to talk about the past. So this could be yesterday, last night, 2020, something that happened before now. There are three rules for simple past regular verbs. Let's talk about them. Rule number one. If a verb ends in E, add a D. For example, move becomes moved. Live becomes lived. And love becomes loved. Rule number two. If a verb does not end in E, you add ED. For example, walk becomes walked. Ask becomes asked. Call becomes called. And rule number three, if a verb ends in a consonant and a Y, you remove the Y and add IED. For example, let's look at the verb study. Look before the Y. There's a D. D is a consonant. So for the simple past, we take out the Y and add IED, studied. If you found that last rule confusing because you're not sure what a consonant is, check out my video from Tuesday that explains the difference between consonants and vowels. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.